Hi, good evening. I will pay more attention to what you're saying now. That's right. So I'm really happy, and we've had a wonderful winner in Manushri last year, and I'm really glad that I can be part of Miss India to 2018 this year. And I'm really looking forward to our top three girls. I'm looking forward to the evening tonight. Ji haan, I think every contest has certain parameters with which you judge, and I will keep each one of those parameters in mind, and I will judge. Unfortunately, मैं height requirements के लिए I do not qualify for Miss India because I'm not so tall. So no, because of my height I cannot take part. अभी मैं क्या बोलूँ अभी? How sweet. Thank you very much. जी मैं बहुत enjoy करने वाली हूँ. I think some of my favorites are on stage today, so I'm really rooting for them. Madhuri is my all-time favorite. I love watching live performances. I'm looking forward to Bebo performing on stage, and this is her first, I think, first performance. So yes, I'm looking forward to it. Well, all I would say is just be yourself, have a good time, and smile. Okay. Yes. Well, of course, I really wouldn't want to comment too much about it, but I think everybody is concerned. Everybody, in their own way, will definitely say a prayer for his speedy recovery for sure.
Okay, guys, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, yeah. The experience was wonderful. It's really special. It's very close to my heart. It's of course one of my favorite directors. The ensemble cast was amazing. So of course will always remain a very very special film to my heart. Honestly, Tanvi, I'm done giving all the advice. They really worked hard to see the girls from where they were and how far they have come. I know they put in a lot of hard work and effort. They really see the celebration. There is no advice. All I want to tell them is just go and have fun. That's all.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Tanvi. Thank you. Thank you.
Guys, we need to wrap up.
The passes there.
Come on, that's it. Chalo.
Okay, visual. Okay, visual.
Guys, quickly.
जो भी है Done. Yeah.
Why would I do it again? Why would I do it again? Hi. Very good. Yes, hello. Well, मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि मैं साउथ जोन मेंटोर थी इस टाइम एंड आई थिंक सारी लड़कियाँ बहुत ही ज़्यादा टैलेंटेड हैं ना ही साउथ जोन बट ऑल ओवर एंड आई विश देम ऑल द लक and I'm really looking forward to the evening because I feel that each girl is a winner already and it's such a lovely platform जहाँ पे हर stage से एक winner आता है अपने best talents showcase करता है and then we choose someone who represents our country, so it's going to be a wonderful evening and I wish them all the best. Sorry? Yes, I'd like to tell them that, you know, a lot of girls, they think that this is the end of it if they don't make it, but this is just the beginning. I'd like to tell them that this is where your life is going to start from, you know, so you need to take all the experience that you have during the training of Miss India and use it in your life ahead. And winners 3 ही होते हैं, but that doesn't mean कि आप आगे कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So I'd like to tell them that don't be nervous and just enjoy every moment. Really? I love you all. Thank you so much. Thank you, whoever. Right now, in Hindi, I'm working on this film with Ajay Devgan sir, which is a rom-com, which is Love Ranjan sir's film. We are 50% through the film, so you'll see me very soon. And then I have a bunch of South films. I'm working on 3 Tamil films and 1 Telugu film. Yes. You know, I think the entire country is praying for his recovery. I am a fan of his work and it is heartbreaking to see someone like him, someone such like a genuine person like him suffer through so much, and his message was really heartwarming. It's such a positive message towards life, and I'm sure that the entire universe will come together and he will be fine very soon.
Thank you so much.
International? What's my plan? Well, I'm shooting, but I definitely do feel that yoga is very important and each one of us should practice some form of yoga or meditation for our holistic well-being. And yeah. I just say that, you know, inculcating just about 15 to 20 minutes of meditation, the yoga meditation in your life can just lead to a lot more sanity. So each one of us should do that. Thank you.
Thank you. For the visuals of the camera. Voices? I'm sure we got enough. For the camera that. And now here. Hi. Sorry? Roadies. It's on air and you should watch it every Sunday. That's as much as I can say. And it's been a great season. So yeah, thank you for following the show. Sorry? My look for tonight is very tricky because if anybody asks me to raise my arms, I can't because I'm stuck. So it's going to be very hard to like maneuver around in it. And as usual, my bag doesn't fit anything that I like. So yeah, it's the same thing on the red carpet every time. But I'm wearing Shantanu and Nikhil, and I'm wearing jewelry by a friend of mine called Roma, and a clutch by Alexander McQueen. That's as much as I can say. Thank you. honestly, I don't know whose performances are there, but because you see so much of Jacqueline's life on social media, you know that she is performing today. So I'm looking forward to hers. I'm also looking forward to Bebo's performance. I'm a huge Kareena Kapoor fan. So for me to watch her in a film or watch her on stage or watch her even walk down the ramp, I love her and her performances. So I look forward to that. But more importantly, the night is not about the performances, it's about the girls. And you know, I've been an ex-Miss India. I'm also a mentor for the North Zone. Last year, one of our girls, Manushi, won, and she did really, really well. So I'm hoping that one of the North Zone girls wins tonight as well. So, you know, being a mentor, I already have my biases to the girls from there. Thank you.
Shirin aa rahi hai, Shirin. Shirin's coming.
Hi, how are you? And so are you?
Seriously, I love it when a girl says that. That's like the best.
You'll have to wait here for the camera visuals over here.
Stop! Excuse me,
From behind.
let them go. How are you, Sumit? You look gorgeous.
Why are you letting them pass? Yeah, come, Poonam. You have to stop, yaar.
क्या हो गया? इतना सोच ही कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा. You can see the excitement. Well, I'm just here. I'm here to attend the Femina Miss India show. बहुत साल पहले जब छोटी थी, जब कॉलेज में थी, तब I remember I came here in a taxi, with my friend passes लेके to watch the show बहुत पीछे से. तो it's an amazing feeling for me, to walk the carpet for Femina Miss India, and I'm feeling good right now. Good evening to you too, Sumit. मैं इतनी excited थी. I was watching myself in front of the mirror for 2 hours. इतनी excited. Oh, I'm a nobody to give them any advice. I think they're already doing wonderfully. They're doing amazingly good, because they're on this amazing big platform, and I mean, I'm actually honored to be here. So that's all I can say. I don't want to talk about it. Not now. Femina Miss India. Femina Miss India. I read that news. I'm a big fan of Irfan Khan. I am being a fan. When you read these kind of news, it's of course you feel bad, yeah, and you can pray. All I can do is I can pray for him. I hope Bhagwan, Allah, meri sun le, and inshallah he should be fine as soon as possible. That's all I can pray for him. Thank you so much.
Two minutes, please. So, this. Go for some, go for some. What happened? Say what happened.
आ रही है guys wait
Hold the guest. I'm coming with you.
bites okay come now she'll come yeah guys take it
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes. Not mentally prepared for sure. I think it just seems like yesterday, ऐसा लगता है कल ही मैं Miss India बनी थी. And the moment I realized that I won Miss India, I was already Miss World. So I somewhere feel that, I didn't get to live the full journey of Miss India. But I'm even excited कि, इस साल, of course, Miss World में India से expectations बहुत ज़्यादा होंगी. So I'm excited to meet all the girls. I've already met them, but to see who is the winner and who will be representing us at Miss World now. एक साल एक बहुत बड़ा adventure था मेरे लिए. I think the growth has been beyond my imagination. मैं कभी सोच नहीं सकती थी कि एक साल के बाद मैं यहाँ पे खड़ी होंगी. And after bringing glory, I'll be passing on that crown. So it's been the best year of my life. Well, as of now, for 6 months, I'm still reigning as Miss World. So I want to focus on that. Of course, I wouldn't lie. I do enjoy being in front of the camera, and that's something new that I've discovered. That's something I'm still discovering because I'm very new to all of this. So I'm going to take things as they come. So when I have to take that decision, so I think I'll follow my heart, whatever it says. जी आज मैं जज कर रही हूँ और performance. So I know there are a lot of people performing, so I think I might be somewhere on the stage and everything, but it's mostly judging, and I'll have some interaction with the host. Not just the winner. I think all 30 girls. I'm going to tell them that after tonight, all your lives are going to change. Of course, to the winner, I'm going to tell her that I'm always there. I'm one phone call away. You can always come to me for guidance because I know what she will be going through. And I'm just going to tell her to be herself and enjoy her time as a Miss India and at the Miss World pageant.
First, let them take the visual here, okay, and then here. No, they're just taking the visual here.
Right. Good evening, hi. Look, I'm not much of a judge, but whatever little I know, from where I come, I feel confidence is the most important thing, and being comfortable in what they're wearing, being comfortable in how they want to talk, and these are the few things I will look at because I'm not much of a fashion judge. There are other judges who will judge that, but I'll be looking for somebody who's confident in who they are. Sorry?
What qualities you look forward in a woman?
In what sense?
In general.
Like I said, confidence is very important. Again, I don't know I'm not understanding your question exactly, but if I want a girl for my, what attracts me about a girl, it would be somebody who has a great sense of humor, somebody who's confident, somebody obviously who's stylish, but also who respects people, who's humble. These are the few things I like in a woman. Yeah. Okay. Can I complete the sentence? Oh yeah, the things I look for in a woman is a good sense of humor, somebody who's humble, somebody who's honest, who works hard, and confidence mostly. Somebody who's confidence is the most attractive thing to me. Okay, thank you.
राइट जी बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। मुझे एक मौका मिला था जो सब कॉन्टेस्ट है उसको भी जज करने का, और बहुत मज़ा आया उस वक्त। और मुझे लगता है पिछली बार मैंने जब मिस इंडिया को जज किया था वो कुछ 5-6 साल पहले था। सो वी आर होपिंग दैट वी पिक द राइट पीपल दिस टाइम। नहीं, ऐसा प्रेशर कुछ नहीं होता। नर्वसनेस तो ऑब्वियसली जो कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं वो ऑब्वियसली नर्वस हैं, लेकिन like I said, it's fun to judge this sort of pageant, and no, there's absolutely no nervousness. There's just excitement. Right. Well, all of them actually. Kareena is performing. I believe Jacqueline's performing, and Madhuri Dixit. So Madhuri Dixit has been my eternal favorite, and we had done a film together, Aaja Nachle. And I think the highlight of the film was when Madhuri ma'am used to dance, and now to watch her on stage is going to be absolutely fantastic. जी हाँ, बिल्कुल। हम अभी से सवाल बता दूंगा भाई, तो किस तरह के सवाल, जो मतलब कुछ सवाल सोचे हुए हमने कि जो पूछने हैं उनको, और वही सवाल पूछेंगे, लेकिन अब यहाँ पर बता के कोई फ़ायदा नहीं उन सवालों को। हाँ भाई मेरे, गुड इवनिंग अभी। Oh, it's been fantastic. It's been very, very good. Especially there was a promo that we played in the theatres, which was a promo of, everyone's asked to stand up for the national anthem and the British flag comes up. So that is a promo that's received a lot of attention. And the main promo is out on the 25th of June. So I'm really looking forward to the reaction to that. Okay, thank you so much. I've got to run. Yeah.
एक्साइटमेंट है, मतलब मैं तो पहली बार ही आया हूँ जज करने। ये सोच रहा हूँ दिमाग में, मैं सोच के थक गया हूँ कि सही जजमेंट दूँ मैं अपनी तरफ से, और जो हकदार हो जीतने का वो जीते। और क्या कहूँ, ये स्माइल नहीं हट रही मुझ से। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और इतनी मेहनत की है, लोगों ने अपने दिलों से उसे अप्रिशिएट किया है, एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी। टच वुड, बस मैं यही चाहता हूँ कि और फिल्में करता रहूँ ऐसी, और लोग मेरा काम पसंद करें। सब खुश है, एवरीबडी इज हैप्पी, और फिल्म अच्छा बिजनेस कर रही है, और क्या चाहिए, सब खुश है। हाँ, मैं आईफा जाने वाला हूँ, बस कल जा रहा हूँ आईफा के लिए। I'm performing at the IFA Awards. बॉक्स ऑफिस में फिल्म चलती है तो और क्या कर सकता है आदमी। फिल्में अच्छी होती है, बॉक्स ऑफिस पे नहीं चलती, तो फिर लोग अच्छी फिल्म को भी क्या कर सकते हैं। मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ, लोगों ने मेरा काम अप्रिशिएट किया है और सबका काम अप्रिशिएट किया है, और क्रिटिसिज्म तो मिलती रहती है। अब उससे फ़र्क कभी पड़ता है अगर फिल्म कुछ ज़्यादा ही बुरी हो, लेकिन अगर फिल्म इतनी बुरी होती तो फिर चलती ही नहीं। Definitely, I hope I'm a part of Race 4. अभी मैं देखता हूँ, मैं अभी बता नहीं सकता, ठीक है? थैंक यू।
अरे एक सेकेंड, माइक तो बराबर कराऊं। गाइस, आर यू गेटिंग डन? डन, ओके। फे D'Souza, please. Okay. What do I do? There's so much of chaos. Yes, there is. Go from here, go down and forward. The Miss India contest is a great opportunity for young women in all over India, and I think that they've done a fantastic job of finding young ladies from every state to represent the future. And this is really the contest or the platform that has given us the bigs like Shushmita Sen and Aishwarya Rai and Priyanka Chopra. So I'm really looking forward to finding the next big star for India from this contest. Thank you.
What do I have to say? Who's asking me anything?
Yeah.
Do I need to speak anywhere?
Can I get your name again?
Gaurav Gupta. Hi, how are you? There is, sorry? So, Miss India is obviously an iconic situation, an iconic moment in beauty pageants in India. It's the most historic and the most important beauty pageant from this country. And we have Manushi as like a winner. We've had Priyanka, we've had Aishwarya, we've had the most iconic women of this country who have been Miss Indias. And I'm really happy to do the finale round for tonight and be one of the judges. And the collection is called Circle of Grace. So my brief was do the Gaurav Gupta magic, and that's precisely what we have done. What I have done here is I've celebrated the Indian woman's body. So there is a lot of sari-inspired drapes, which is quintessentially Gaurav Gupta, which is quintessentially our brand. And they are all very kind of graceful, sensual, sexy drapes and structures, and it's playful, young, yet very timeless. Thank you. Thank you.
Done? The bite.
कि आज रात को लेके मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज आई नो कि जैसे मेरी ज़िंदगी बदली थी वैसे एक और लड़की की ज़िंदगी इस साल बदलेगी। अभी प्लीज गो फ्रॉम बिहाइंड।
एक सेकंड रुक जा, सबका इंटरव्यू रुकवा रही हूँ, रुक जा। Let these people pass. I can't stop the judges.
No, you can't stop. And there's faster, please, faster. Okay, let's. How are you? जी
बर्थडे है, बोल दो
किसका बर्थडे है?
Boys जल्दी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Please, पूजा फिनिश फास्ट।
ओके, सो आज को लेके मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि आज इस देश की एक लड़की की किस्मत आज बदलने वाली है जैसे मेरी बदली थी। सो आई विश दैट द बेस्ट गर्ल विन्स। And of course I'm mentoring this year, so I hope कि East से कोई लड़की जीते, because I've mentored the East region this time. Absolutely. जो एडवाइस देनी थी वो सब एडवाइस दे दी उन लोग ने, सब जितनी मेहनत करनी थी उन लोग ने कर ली. टुडे इट्स देयर टाइम टू जस्ट शाइन, जस्ट स्माइल एंड हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फन. सॉरी प्लीज सर, प्लीज. गॉड, सॉरी पूजा. नहीं, वो सॉरी. नो इट्स फाइन. ओके, डन. जी, आज जितनी मुझे एडवाइस देनी थी लड़कियों को मैं दे चुकी हूँ. जितना उनको काम करना था, मेहनत करनी थी, उन लोग कर चुके हैं. टुडे इट्स द टाइम वेयर ऑल देयर हार्ड वर्क इट शुड रीप बेनिफिट्स. They should shine bright, they should laugh, they should have fun, and they should imagine the crown on their heads and then go win it. जी. जी. Sorry? Oh yes, yes. I don't want to pray for him, but yeah, my best wishes are with him. Of course, he is in all our prayers, and I'm guessing that he's one of the judges today, isn't he? Okay, sorry. Irfan Khan is in London, right? Sorry. Yeah, he's sorry. Yeah, he's unwell. He is in all our prayers. In fact, the first time I got to know about this, मैं उनकी फिल्म देखने गई थी Blackmail, जो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी, and that's when I got to know that he's really unwell. And I feel bad क्योंकि हमारे इंडस्ट्री के इतने stalwart actor हैं, and we all look up to him. He's one of my favorite actors. Internationally, he's known and proved that he's one of the best actors our country has. So all my best wishes and prayers. He's in all our prayers. Sorry. Right. Okay, so yeah, all the 4 mentors are going to do like a fun segment on stage today. So that's that's a surprise. So we'll all see what it is. Even I'm excited. Even I don't know what it is. मेरे को बोला गया है कि कोई fun games है, surprise games है. So even I'm excited. I want to see what the fun game is on stage today. Thank you.
सबसे पहले तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि ऑल 30 contestants all the best. It's a big night. India के लिए it's a big night. A beautiful girl gets to represent this extremely diverse country, and so I'm very proud that you get girls from every zone: North Zone, East Zone, South Zone, West Zone, and it's quite exciting because these girls all have different cultural backgrounds. So India is so wide and so big that we get to see the different cultures through these women. मैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म को बहुत मानती हूँ. आई थिंक इट्स वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट प्लेटफॉर्म्स जिससे मैं भी इस लाइन में आ सकी. तो इस प्लेटफॉर्म को मैं बहुत मानती हूँ, एंड आई थिंक दैट वी ऑलवेज रिस्पेक्ट द प्लेस जहाँ पे वी गेट दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. तो मिस इंडिया प्लेटफॉर्म एक ऐसा अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि जिससे आप क्या कुछ नहीं कर सकते. तो कुछ लड़कियाँ उस प्लेटफॉर्म का इस्तेमाल करके दुनिया भर में चैरिटी करती हैं. दे जॉइन NGOs, they become film stars, they become national spokeswomen, they do so much, and I hope this platform always stays, because I think to combine beauty with a purpose is always a good initiative anywhere in the world. हाँ, मेमोरीज तो बहुत सारी थी. मैं जब 18 साल की थी तो आई डिड माई फर्स्ट पैजेंट, एंड तब मैं बहुत नाइव, मैं ज़्यादा कुछ जानती नहीं थी. तो आप हर चीज़ को ऐसे ओपन आइड देखते हैं, वाइड आइड देखते हैं, और काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. क्योंकि एक तो बहुत सारी लड़कियां होती हैं, तो यू बिकम फ्रेंड्स, बट यू ऑल्सो गेट टू लर्न सो मच फ्रॉम what it means to be a team, what it means to work together. And as an 18-year-old, you get to learn all of that. So that was very nice. When I won, I was 20. So I did that at that time, and then I won in 24. And I had learned so much. And I think वो experience काम आया because I won the title. So honesty, सबसे पहले honesty. मुझे ऐसी लड़कियां बहुत पसंद है जो सच्चाई से हर चीज़ बोलती हैं, और उसके साथ साथ बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस. अपने आप में अगर आप विश्वास रखते हैं तो सच में कुछ भी जीत सकते हैं. तो आई थिंक ऑनेस्टी और कॉन्फिडेंस, आजकल की दुनिया में इतने सच्चे लोग मिलते नहीं हैं, एंड आई लाइक इट अगर ऑनेस्टी को आप बरकरार रखें. एंड कॉन्फिडेंस तो बहुत ज़्यादा है, सो दैट्स एवरीवेयर टुडे, पर वो कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं ज़्यादा मिलता. आज माधुरी दीक्षित स्टेज पे परफॉर्म कर रही हैं, और मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि कल हम दोनों सॉन्ग शूट कर रहे हैं, तो उनको स्टेज पे देख के ऐसे अपनी अदाओं के साथ खेलते हुए, कल मुझे मौका मिलेगा उनकी अदाओं के साथ, उनके साथ परफॉर्म करने का मौका मिलेगा. मैं बहुत बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. It is my absolute privilege to be able to share screen space with Madhuri Dixit ji, and I have no words to say. Like I'm very happy.
So Anil sir की भी these three ने धमाल मचा दिया चारों तरफ. तो कितनी क्या कुछ बना?
अनिल कपूर इतने स्टाइलिश हैं और सेट पे आई थिंक हम सब से वो मतलब ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड रहते हैं एंड ही इज़ सच अ ग्रेट स्पोर्ट एंड उनका स्टाइल मंत्र बहुत अच्छा लगता है, तो उनको देखने में अच्छा लगता है बिकॉज ही ऑलवेज ड्रेसेस टू किल, रियली ही इज़ वेरी वेल ड्रेस्ड। मेरी तरफ से बिल्कुल भी नर्वस मत होइएगा, हल्की सी घबराहट होती है लेकिन दैट्स अ लवली फीलिंग। एन्जॉय योर सेल्व्स एंड मेक इंडिया प्राउड। कुछ भी हो आज रात को, you will all be representing India at some point in your lives, and I really hope that you do it well because India is a beautiful country and it should be represented with all its glory.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Inside the judges. Okay, can I go?
ईद मुबारक आपको भी। देखिए, जब आप कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो, क्योंकि मिस इंडिया जो है वो कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे आगे जाके, तो आपको पता है कि आपको पूरी दुनिया देख रही होती है। जब हम लोग क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, अगर कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं मुल्क को, तो पूरी दुनिया देख रही होती है। आपको अपने आप को एक अलग तरीके से कैरी करना है कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ, बट साथ ही में हम लोग ऐसे मुल्क से आ रहे हैं जहाँ पे ह्यूमिलिटी बहुत ज़बरदस्त, बहुत ज़रूरी है। सो आई थिंक ये सारी चीज़ें देखूंगा, लेकिन ह्यूमिलिटी भी ज़रूर देखूंगा कि वो कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ ह्यूमिलिटी कैसी है, वो मैं देखना चाहूँगा। मैं लुक फॉरवर्ड कर रहा हूँ, मेरे लिए ऐसा पहला इवेंट है, सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड। मेरे तरफ से क्वेश्चंस होंगे, लेकिन वो क्वेश्चंस आपको पता चलेंगे कि क्या क्वेश्चंस होंगे, लेकिन अभी जाके पता चलेगा एग्जैक्टली करना क्या है। अपने दिमाग में सोच के रखा हुआ है क्या करना है क्या नहीं, लेकिन एग्जैक्टली क्या क्वेश्चंस होंगे वो तो तभी पता चलेगा आपको। सब खैरियत?
मैं भी कुछ कहूँ क्या? हाँ जी,
standing, talking. Hello, hi.
Ask you questions.
He's very busy. Hello. I'm not. I'm more associated with Miss Diva, so you will see me then. But I'm obviously close to the Times organization. That's why I'm here to support the girls. How do I see the pageant? It's obviously become this phenomenon, and they've got some amazing sponsors. Future Group is, I think it's been, what, 4 years that they've been together. I've just finished a line for Future Group as well, so it's a good association. I feel we should, I think we'll get the crown this year at Miss World and Miss Universe. Thank you.
Manju Bharti and Mukesh Bharti. Producers Manju Bharti. Sachin?
Hi, good evening. Oh, thank you so much. It's just a new look that I've tried today, and I was very excited to wear this because this is something that I've never worn before, so I was very much excited to wear something like really grand. And tonight is a special night, so I thought of going for this dress. Powder blue is pretty much my color. I haven't really experimented with it, so I thought it was the right time to wear this. I'm looking forward for a great evening, and the girls out there are fantastic. I've met them, all of them, at the shoot of Webisode, so I'm very excited to meet all of them, and I'm expecting, all of us have very high expectations from these girls, because one of these girls is going to represent our country at Miss World and different pageants, so we are looking forward to having another Manushi. मेरी बहुत यादें ताज़ा होती हैं क्योंकि been there, done that, so it feels like when I'm sitting in the audience, you're on the other side of the table, you feel it's such a deja vu because I've done all that. I know how difficult it is to be there because everybody's looking at you with those judgmental eyes, everybody's scoring you on how you look, how you smile, how do you wear a bikini, how you don't wear a bikini and wear a gown, all those kind of things. So it is difficult, and it's a very special evening for every girl, and I would like to wish all of them very, very best of luck, and just give the best that you have, and this is the moment, this is the time. I think rather than being nervous or giving those nervous energies. You should be just happy. I always tell girls, like, just be happy, enjoy your moment, because this is the time that you have to impress those audience sitting in front of you. So you have very few seconds to break it or make it. Thank you.
Okay, the Times of India will speak to you. Bombay Times.
Boys is done. It's a visual. She's Miss World 2016.